That
Looks
is
beautiful.
very
Oh, yeah.
Christmassy.
We're only 39 days away from Christmas.
Oh
So
my gosh.
it's coming up
Wow.
quickly.
It'll be here before you know it.
Yeah.
And we're certainly starting to feel a little more winter-like around here, Kelly.
We are, especially up in the mountains. We saw a good amount of early season snowfall here on Mount Hood, and a lot of folks were sending me photos of weekend. A lot of folks were hiking up towards these slopes and skiing down them. So a lot of snowfall on Meadows and out towards Timberline. We saw over 3 feet of snow on Mount Hood since last week. Right now we are seeing our snow levels rising. So notice how we're just seeing mainly rainfall up and over the passes now. Rain also here in Portland. And as we head into our day today, we'll see this warm front that's currently in our region lifting towards the north. So actually drying out as we head towards today. But by Tuesday, we'll be tracking another weather system that'll develop and scoot right by our region here, and that's going to bring a chance for more showers, even some active weather back towards the coast and here in the valley, and also another high wind event for the southern coast. A chance we see some very breezy, even damaging winds for some areas out towards the southern beaches there heading into our Tuesday. But now it's a bit of a wet and gray start here. Rain showers are working through Portland as we head towards our late morning, and by lunchtime I think we'll see that warm front out of the region, so drying up as we move forward here, and a mild day today too. Even this morning's temperature is in the upper 40s, so really not too chilly out. So we'll see the mid to upper 50s heading into today. So here's our rainfall futurecast, and this model is spelling out some drier time for us as we head towards the afternoon. Again, notice that motion towards the north here as that warm front lifts out of the region. We'll keep it mainly cloudy today. Maybe some lingering scattered showers out towards the coast, but it's really Tuesday we'll be watching for our second weather system. There's that center of low pressure. You can see that system there, that nice curl, and that cold front that'll scoot on in. So as this cold front arrives, we'll see some high winds setting up for areas of the southern coast, even breezy tomorrow in the valley and in Portland, as we see some rain showers scooting on in and some active weather too. We'll see some heavy pockets of rain tomorrow and also Wednesday. Chance for thunderstorms in there as well. So here's that look out towards the southern coast. We have a number of high wind watches and advisories and warnings in place. We could see some sustained winds up to 45 miles per hour and some gusts up to 65, even 85 for those headlands out towards areas of the beaches there. So we'll watch for any power outages and some damaging winds to scoot on in, likely starting up by tomorrow morning through the evening for Coos, Curry, Douglas, and Josephine County. So here's our wind gust forecast. Looking pretty calm today. Some spots along the coast could see some breezy moments, maybe gusts around 25, but it's really tomorrow in the morning time we'll see those winds picking up here all along the beaches and especially out towards the southern coast with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Some could even top that over 65 to maybe even 85. And even in Portland too, Salem through the city here, we're expecting breezy conditions with gusts maybe up to 35 miles per hour. Up in the mountains, not expecting too much snowfall down towards the passes until we hit the middle of the week here. We're seeing very warm snow levels above 7,000 feet through Monday and Tuesday. By Wednesday, we'll see colder air seeping in aloft, so likely some snowfall down to the passes, maybe some tricky travel by Wednesday and beyond. Here's our forecast for the coast today, though. Upper 50s to low 60s. We'll see some breezy moments today. Also looking at a drier afternoon. Same for here in the valley. Cloudy finish to today with temperatures a little warm here in the low 60s, even above normal for portions of the valley as we head into our afternoon. On the east sides of the mountains, the upper 50s today with breezy winds and a drier finish. And Hood River looking a bit wet this morning time. A drier afternoon as well with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s to about the low 50s today. So here's our 7-day forecast in Portland. We'll see another mild day tomorrow, but windy conditions, a bit breezy here around the coast and in the valley. We'll see off and on heavy rain showers tomorrow, the chance for thunderstorms too. So we'll be watching out for active weather through the middle of the week. Carly. At 6:15.